Humanoid robots are now helping build BMWs in the US. BMW is expanding the use of humanoid robots at its South Carolina plant after an earlier model helped build more than 30,000 vehicles over the past year. The next-generation robot is now taking on a new role, marking another step toward AI-powered manufacturing. The company showcased the robots during BMW's Home of X event, celebrating the launch of the 2027 X5 series and its future manufacturing plans. Last year, BMW partnered with Figure AI to test its humanoid robot, Figure 02, at the Spartanburg manufacturing plant. Working alongside employees in the body shop, Figure 02 inserted sheet metal parts into the welding process, a repetitive task requiring speed, consistency, and precision. During its 10-month deployment, the robot supported production of more than 30,000 BMW X3 SUVs, demonstrating that humanoid robots can operate safely in a real factory environment. Now, BMW is rolling out Figure 03, Figure 02's successor. It will handle logistics by picking up unsorted vehicle components, organizing them into sequencing carts, and preparing parts for assembly. Figure 03 features improved hands with tactile sensors, palm-mounted cameras, wireless charging, soft components for improved safety, and speech-to-speech communication capabilities. While it was not shown speaking during the demonstration, its human-like movements were noticeable. BMW says the robots are designed to handle repetitive, physically demanding, and safety-critical tasks while employees focus on work requiring judgment and flexibility. BMW says the robots are part of its physical AI strategy, using artificial intelligence to control machines operating in the real world. At the Spartanburg plant, AI is also used for virtual 3D factory simulations, AI-powered quality inspections with cameras and sensors, and digital tools that improve workplace ergonomics before production begins. The goal is to make factories smarter before vehicles reach the assembly line,